Warahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. Welcome to 1 Minute Madrasa with me, Ustad Awsal. Alhamdulillah. Lesson number 28, translation of Surah Al-Baqarah. Rabbihim, from the Lord. Wamallahu, Allah is not bighafilin, unmindful, amma ya'malun, to what they are doing. Wala in. So if atayta alladhina, so if you have to give alladhina, those utul kitab, you have to come to them, those who have been given the book, bikulli ayah, come to them with every sign. Ma tabi'u, they won't follow qiblatak, they won't follow your direction. Wama anta, so you also don't bitabi'in, don't follow qiblatahum, don't follow their direction. Wama ba'duhum, and neither some of them bitabi'in will follow qiblata ba', and neither will one of those, the Jews, follow the Christians, and vice versa. Wala inittaba'ta, so if you follow ahwa'ahum, their false beliefs, min ba'di, after ma ja'aka min al-ilm, after what has come to you from knowledge, innaka, then verily, idhan, you will be lamina dhalimin, you will be amongst the losers or the oppressors. Who? Alladhina, those, ataynahumul kitaba, verily those we have given the book, ya'rifunahu, which is the Jews and the Christians, ya'rifunahu, they know him, the Prophet, kama ya'rifuna abana'ahum, just like they know their own sons. Wa inna, and verily, fariqan, there was a party, minhum, amongst them, la yaktumuna, they used to hide al-haq, the truth that was in the book, wahum ya'lamun, and they used to know their books. Al-haqqu, so the truth, min rabbika, the truth is from your Lord, fala takunanna, so don't be min al-mumtarin, of those who doubt. Walikullin, and for every wijhatun, for every believing nation, huwa muwalliha, they have a predirection. So fastabiqul khairat, so hasten to do good, aynama, wherever, ma takunu, wherever you might be, ya'tikumullahu jami'a, Allah is going to bring you all together yawm al-qiyamah. Inna Allah, verily Allah, ala kulli shay'in qadir, Allah is able to do all that. Wa min haythu, so from wherever, kharajta, you leave, fawalli, from wherever you set out, fawalli, so turn wajhaka, turn your face, shatr al-masjid al-haram, towards the sacred mosque. Wa innahu, verily that is lal haq, it is indeed the truth, min rabbik, from your Lord. Wa wamallahu, and verily Allah, bighafilin, is not unmindful, amma ta'malun, of what you do. Wa min haythu kharajta, and from ever where you set forth, wherever you set out forth. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.